everyone. This is the Insta360 Go2. Sorry about the light. The light is reflecting on the video. Okay, so we'll have to open this today. This is 64 gigabytes. That is what's inside. Insta360 G2 charge case, charge cable, charger, magnet pendant, the easy clip, and then the stand, and then the quick start. What's this? The quick start guide. What's inside? Let's open this. This is on the other side. Just like that. Just take this out. And siya. Big. Easy clip gang. Pwede nyo itong ikabit sa sombrero nyo o sa headband. O halimbawa kumukuha kayo ng video, nakamotor o nakabisikleta. This is how you do it. Magnet pendant instruction. Charging case. This is the Insta stickers. I don't know what it is because it is in Chinese. Itong 5-volt stand, pwede mo siyang i-mount anywhere kasi sticky yung base niya. This is what's inside the box. The storage of 64 gigabytes. Ito na ngayon yung malinit ng gamitin kasi nakadangle lang siya sa harapan mo. Para siyang kwintas. Pwede siya habang nag-video ka. Something like this. Yes. That's so good. And this, you can use this as a remote or as a tripod as well. Pendant. Paggamit ng magnet pendant gang, ipapasok mo siya sa loob ng damit mo, sa bandang chest. Tapos sa labas, i-attach mo yung camera dun sa pinaka-base ng magnet pendant. I have the pendant, the leads, 5-volt stuff. Yeah, I put it there already. And then this is the charging machine. This is not water resistant. So it says that before you plug it in here, make sure that this one is properly dry. Yeah. Okay. So paglalaroan ko muna to para malaman natin kung paano siya gamitin. So here it is. I have this other one which is a DJI Pocket 2 as well. This I use normally when I do my video. I just want to try this one and let's see if I can use it the same as I use with this DJI Pocket 2. Okay. All of this is for just for vlogging. So that's all for the meantime. I will try to try with it until I get used to it. For the at the same time, I will use this as well. Okay, that's it. Finish the unboxing. I have a video of this one while I'm unboxing this one, the DJI Pocket 2, and I still haven't uploaded it yet.